This is the Ring Spotlight Cam 2K. And if you're looking for camera coverage in smaller outdoor areas, this setup is for you. The Ring Spotlight Cam 2K features Retinal 2K with up to 6 times enhanced zoom. You can capture crucial details in wide-angle 2K video and get closer with just a pinch. It has motion-activated spotlights and a built-in siren. You can have it automatically turn on the lights when your camera detects motion and activate a siren with just a tap of a button. And with the motion detection, you'll know the moment something moves with instant mobile alerts. With two-way talk, you can see, hear, and speak to people in real time through your camera. And with its mount anywhere versatility, it's easy to install, weather-resistant security with multiple power options. I especially like this style of camera for areas like side yards, gates, patios, or walkways where you want targeted coverage. Everything runs through the Ring app, so you can check live view, adjust motion settings, and get notifications right from your phone. And the video quality is seriously sharp. Overall, it's a really clean setup that's easy to install and easy to use.